everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the error message, "This site can't be reached" in Google Chrome. Try this easiest way to fix this issue. Click on the search icon below and type Control Panel. Open the app, then click on Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Beside Connections, click Ethernet. In the pop-up windows, click Properties. In here, select the Internet Protocol version 6 and click OK below. Now try to load the website on the Google Chrome to check if the error is now fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.